Alright guys, how we going? Just got a quick little review here of a product that we've just launched called Phoenix, and it's a product that was developed by my partner Mark Barrett, where he went from pretty much like to rags to riches pretty quickly, and then he just crashed, and then just made the wrong decisions, as we all do when we get money hungry, and things just went for the dire. So what he does for a living is what we do here at affiliate marketing, and what you want to do is you pretty much want to stay at a consistent, you want to be around about $1,000 a day. And Mark was able to develop a new system in Phoenix for him to be able to do that. Now I've been testing it for the last few weeks, and I can see that the results have been pretty consistent. So as you can see here in my account, full transparency, I've got my Warrior Plus account here. So I've done, it's now 9/13. Now today I've done around about $283 in affiliate earnings. Now that's a little bit low today, just because I'm actually assisting Mark in launching Phoenix. And as you can see, I've done some JV sales there as well. But here, where the kicker is that you'll be able to see where I've done 1,300, 1,100, 1,164, 564. I've done also pretty much around about nearly 15 grand in the last 13 days. So just full transparency. Now I'm just going to quickly go through my bonuses for you as well. Now my bonuses are going to be they're not too bad, because I don't want to take away the shine away from the affiliates promoting the product at the moment. But once the launch, I'm going to juice them up a bit. But today we're going to jump into the bonuses right now, and as you can see, a bit more proof of the pudding here. I've been able to generate some pretty solid results. Now these are my results, and my results alone. And as you can see here, I've been able to do some significant withdrawals from Warrior Plus into my PayPal account. So as you can see, hello James Fawcett there, hello James Fawcett. And then what you want to do is you're going to go down here, and then this is my bonuses, right? So I want to give you bonus to the access to the lost code. Now this is the sort of thing that really got me started, and will help me really able to leverage my journey in affiliate marketing. So and then also the Fuego multiplier, which is a great tool to use for Google AdWords, and you'll be able to significantly measure up as well in maximizing your profits and lowering your ad spend. Urgency Suites Pro, you're looking at about $400 value there. Now this is a software that creates timing and urgency within both your emails and on your website. So as you can see, I've even got timers on my web pages for the bonuses, so you'll be able to actually see how that works. And Urgency Suites Pro gives you the ability to do that through coding as well. So easy to plug in, easy to create the code, and you'll be able to do that pretty quickly. Then you got the Fuego Breakout, which is just another great little affiliate marketing info product that was released by Brendan Mace. So all these, my mate Brendan's he's been a pretty big, significant part in terms of me learning the affiliate marketing game, and I really credit to that. So he's been able to give me access to these products to give away to you today. Now, as part of it in Sweetener, back in August, we released a product called the Breakout Code. Now, this one was an absolute cracker. This is the code that led me to go from literally $150 in about January, and start leveraging up from February, and between probably around March through to May, June, I was able to generate nearly over $160,000 in revenue in affiliate commissions alone. So you're going to get access to the full suite on here. You're going to get the access, the Breakout Code membership, cash on demand. You'll be able to get 60 plus swipes, and that's on top of as well. If you jump onto Phoenix, you'll be able to get really leverage that. The Done For You package, you'll be able to get a whole bunch of Done For You funnels that I've been able to use personally to generate that. The little black book, you'll get all my traffic sources, live case study masterclass that Mark and I held at the end of the Breakout Code. You'll get full access to that. That's 2 hours of me sitting in front of you creating a funnel that has led me to generate the results that I've been able to do today. So you'll be able to get that, and then even the kicker on this one, you're going to get promote the breakout code product for yourself at 100% of the profits. So you're going to get that opportunity to do that today. Now the fast action bonuses, they do expire. I like to put the quick timer on here because I think the quicker to make your decision, the quicker you jump in, the longer you think about it, the worse it gets. Sometimes sometimes thinking too much leads to inaction, and the quicker you take action and just not think about it, the quicker you're going to get results. Because to be honest, it's like when you get through, like it's like a mindset game really. So when you get through this, you're going to really start jumping in, learning a new skill, learning the exact process that really fucking does work. Excuse the French, but it does. And you'll be able to really leverage the results that I've been able to do and the exact process as well. So you guys are going to get that today. Now Phoenix is a info product created by Mark, and jump in here, you'll be able to jump in. It's $12.95 guys, and you'll be able to jump in and have a look around here. So what he does, he really goes through the core elements of how he started getting back to the 1K paydays. So you're finding top offers. Now it gets into a rotator type system where you'll be able to get top offers, drive traffic to it, and what it does is that you can find the highest converting offer on a rotator. So that means on the next click that each person sends, they see a new link. So a new customer or a new person that clicks on the link sees someone new. So you'll be able to get access to that strategy, which is a pretty cool one. That's how I've been able to generate some serious cash across multiple products. So as you can see here, I've been able to do it. So this is just today alone. Phoenix breakout code, Jacked ATM, which is a new one by Jason Fulton. You'll be also get stats. So I'm just going to jump into stats. I'm just going to go from a week ago, so you see like the full transparency behind it. So I've been pumping breakout code like no crazy because I want to get the message across. I've done 900, nearly $1,000 with Jason's. I've done nearly $800 with ClickBank traffic bots. We also have ClickBank products in there as well for Phoenix for you to promote. Once page profits by Brendan. So guys, so the world is truly your oyster when you be able to jump on that rotator and have a crack at that. So you'll definitely be able to get some results. So guys, please jump on. You'll be able to, once you're on the next page, you're going to go over to wherever I put it. Here, let's go. I'm just going to give you a look at the sales page. Grab Phoenix. So click the button below this video. Please don't go to this link. So, because otherwise you won't be able to click my affiliate link and you won't be able to access the bonuses. So this is the sales page. As you can see, Mark goes through his process. It gives you a bit of a story behind it. And then what you want to do is you want to just go straight ahead, click that, and then you'll be able to access it and see how you get it for $12.95. So I haven't purchased it. I was testing the funnel, but it completely works, guys. Mark's brought something pretty special to the table, so I'm pretty excited that you guys get to truly share or leverage that going forward. Alright guys, so please jump on board, check out my bonuses. These are some really cracker products. You'll get full suite of the breakout code on top of what you'll be able to leverage out of Phoenix when you jump on through Phoenix for $12.95 today. Alright guys, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck and enjoy, guys. I really hope you'll be able to go bring yourself up to a new level where you'll be able to sustain your income and quit that 9 to 5. Cheers guys.